TypeError. Object of type NoneType has no len when using restore_best_weights equals true in EarlyStopping keras. I am new to using keras for deep learning applications. I am trying to perform binary classification using pre-trained models. I am running the code in Google Colab where the TensorFlow version is 2.2.0 RC2. The following is the model I am using. The following are the callbacks I am using. I am training the model using the following. The custom callback doesn't produce any problem and stops training perfectly when used without early stopping. However, if I set the restore_best_weights equals true in early stopping, the following error is generated when epoch_number equals patience. If I set restore_best_weights equals false, no problems occur and training ends successfully. I have tested the early stopping in other pre-trained models, namely, VGG16, Denset201, ResNet, Exception, Inception, etc. However, the problem with the early stopping persists and the same errors pop up whenever restore_best_weights is set to true. Thanks in advance for helping me out in this case. Let me know if any other information is necessary.
Found the problem. It makes sense it is none because it found no better model than the baseline in my case. I got rid of baseline equals 1.0 and now it works for me.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.